In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a booking link in Fresha quickly and effortlessly. If you're a business owner or service provider using Fresha, understanding how to create booking links can help streamline your appointment process and offer your clients a seamless experience. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, open your Fresha dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your bookings, schedules, and service management tasks. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu filled with various options. Here, find and click on Online Booking. It's represented by an icon that looks like a contact book, familiar and easy to spot. Now let's move on to setting up your booking link. Look to the left menu again and click on Link Builder. This step is essential as it allows you to create a direct pathway for your clients to book your services online conveniently. As you enter the Link Builder section, you'll see Link to Services. This is where the magic happens. Click Create Link. This option lets you generate a bespoke URL that directs clients straight to a booking page specifically designed for your services. Before finalizing this link, it's important to take a moment to customize it. Fresha's flexibility is one of its strong suits, allowing you to tailor the link according to specific preferences. Decide on the location where the services will be provided. Specify team members associated with these services, and select the particular offerings your link should highlight. Personalizing your link not only makes the booking process efficient, but also reflects professionalism. Once you've made your selections and everything looks tailored to your business's needs, ensure you click Create Link at the top right of the screen. This final step is crucial. It saves all the customizations and generates your unique booking link. And that's it. You've created a custom booking link on Fresha. Share this link with your clients through your website, emails, or social media, and watch your booking process become more efficient and stress-free for both you and your customers. By offering your clients an easy way to schedule their appointments, you not only optimize your operations, but also enhance client satisfaction. With the ability to customize and create these links, managing your services and maintaining a structured approach becomes second nature. I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your business processes with Fresha.